Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing a Republic Day speech. If you love India, before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Good morning everyone. My name is Ali. First of all, a very happy Republic Day to everyone. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 74 Republic Day. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day is a national festival of India. I am proud to be Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, thank you.